In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple email marketing funnel using ChatGPT and ConvertKit. We're going to walk through a practical process you can use to promote a product, a service, a newsletter, or any kind of digital offer in a way that feels helpful instead of pushy. The goal is to attract the right people, get them onto your email list, and then guide them toward your offer through useful and well-written emails. To begin, choose exactly what you want to promote. This part matters because your entire funnel will be built around that one offer. It could be a coaching service, an online product, a paid newsletter, a template pack, or something else your audience would genuinely benefit from. Try to be clear about who it's for and what problem it solves, because that will make the rest of your messaging much easier. Next, open ChatGPT and ask for lead magnet ideas or email campaign ideas related to your offer. This is a great way to brainstorm quickly and come up with something your audience would actually want. A lead magnet should feel valuable and specific, something that gives people a quick win and naturally connects to the paid or promoted offer you want to introduce later. Once you have that direction, create helpful content designed to attract your target audience. This could be content for social media, blog posts, short videos, or anything else that brings attention to the problem your audience is trying to solve. Focus on being genuinely useful. When your content is clear and relevant, people are much more likely to trust you and join your list. After that, open ConvertKit and set up a landing page or sign up form. Keep this simple and focused. Make sure the page clearly explains what someone is signing up for and why it's worth their email address. The easier it is to understand, the better your conversion rate is likely to be. Then use ChatGPT to help write your welcome emails and follow-up sequence. Your first email should deliver what you promised and make a strong first impression. The emails after that should continue to provide value, build trust, and move the reader forward step by step. As you write those emails, add your offer naturally into the sequence. You don't want it to feel forced. Instead, connect the offer to the problem you've been helping the subscriber solve. That way, it feels like a logical next step rather than a hard sell. From there, send useful emails consistently to your subscribers. Consistency helps people remember who you are, and regular value builds long-term trust. Finally, track your clicks, signups, and sales, then use that data to improve the campaign. Look at what's working, what people are responding to, and where they're dropping off. Small improvements over time can make a big difference in results.